Is your automatic transmission suddenly slamming violently into gear or constantly slipping while you drive down the highway? You might be dealing with a P0971 diagnostic trouble code. This specific transmission code means that your vehicle's powertrain control module has detected an abnormally high voltage condition in the pressure control solenoid C control circuit. In a modern automatic transmission, the computer uses multiple electronic pressure control solenoids to direct pressurized hydraulic transmission fluid to the correct clutches and bands. This precise control of fluid pressure is exactly what allows your vehicle to shift smoothly between different gear ratios. When the computer detects that solenoid C is receiving too much voltage and not functioning correctly, it will often trigger a protective limp mode to prevent severe internal damage. You will likely experience several noticeable symptoms, including a bright check engine light on your dashboard, a heavy increase in your daily fuel consumption, an overheating transmission, engine misfire sensations, or extremely harsh and banging gear shifts that can rattle your teeth. The most frequent causes for this high-voltage issue usually boil down to highly contaminated or burnt transmission fluid, a heavily restricted internal transmission filter, a physically defective electronic pressure control solenoid, severely corroded electrical connector pins, a damaged wiring harness, or even a failing mechanical transmission fluid pump. To start tackling this problem in your own garage, the very first step is to pull your transmission dipstick to check the fluid level and its overall condition. If the fluid looks completely pitch black or smells heavily like burnt toast, you need to perform a complete fluid and filter change immediately. Next, crawl underneath the vehicle and do a thorough visual inspection of the main transmission wiring harness. Look very closely for any bare wires rubbing against the metal chassis or heavy green corrosion packed inside the plastic electrical connectors. If you find dirty pins, clean them out thoroughly. If fresh fluid and a basic wiring cleanup do not solve your harsh shifting, it is absolutely time to take your car to a certified transmission specialist. Testing internal solenoid resistance and verifying mainline hydraulic pressure requires expensive digital multimeters and specialized high-pressure mechanical gauges that most home mechanics simply do not own. Catching this problem early can save you from having to buy a completely rebuilt transmission, so drive safely and take care of your vehicle.